Hi guys, so in this video we're gonna discuss about the basics, the questions and answer. The beginners also important for the this of the question based, like if you learning these types of the content, yeah, you can easily speaking at least the 2 months. It is enough for me, I think. So what is the basics questions and answer, like if you go to somewhere, so if you someone, you will meet them, so what is your name? If you ask them, they will answer, yeah, my name is Jana. And also if you asking there's something different, like what are you doing, so yeah, I'm a student. So how long have you been learning the English? They will be answer it easily, like yeah, I am learning English 2 months. So like that way, yeah, you can basically asking the question. The lot of the question also there. If you meet your friends, like how are you? Like yeah, if your friend it said yeah, I am good. Do you have any work? If you asking the question, and also your friend said I haven't any work. So after that you ask to the English, are you come with me for outside? So, so these are the simple question based answer. Yeah, you can speak with them. Like the basically, I have some question based. I list out of them now. So if you like the continuously, like the first of all, like are you come with me outside? Do you have any work? I think those people are the going to outside. So many people came this way. Why? And also you ask to the in different, like if you go to your friend with outside, you ask to him like yeah, why are you be taken the bus? I think the day is sunny and the so much of temperature there. I think we gonna take some juices. So like that way you ask the simple sentence. If you go to outside with your friends, ask to so many questions like the English. Like yeah, we are the walking now. I think we gonna walk fast because of we having time for that for reach our college. So like that way you ask to in the English only, thinking in English also. And also answer to the question also, yeah, I'm getting late. So if you go in front of, like before me, you go to the college, I will become your friend. You said to your friends. So like that way you can speak slowly also, because of you can speak slowly. So that's also implement your communication series or something different. Like I'm also beginner. I'm also studying the lot of time. I'm speaking like I'm also the learning the English. Like I'm also struggling of the lot, but I'm trying to every day, because of if you have the friends, yeah, like those people have interest to learn. Yeah, you can speak them. Yeah, every day. And also if you using the mobile, like so many social media also there, reading English, listening the English. And also if you like to reading the comment section, so many people are put on the comment, so read them, how they will be the convey message to someone. So and also the repeatedly the learning. Don't wait for the perfect time. It is the never came from the anyone. So I think these are the question based answer. You can learn every day. It's improvement, I think. So many people are still the learning English, but they can't speak because of they haven't put on the practice in your opinion. So thank you for the watching. Like if you have any suggestion for me, like if you have any topic we gonna discuss, please let me know in the comment section. I will do that. And also thank you for supporting and also watching this full video. If I any made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I I will correct that in the next video. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.